I want to hear stripper music back there.
Our Lamborghini.
5-2. We can skip 4, 3, and 2.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
You gonna drive through?
No, he's not going to do it.
You're floored?
Where would you like to go? We take you there very fast. No worries.
Oh my god.
Alright everyone, now before we get to that, today's video is sponsored by Raycon. Raycon is disrupting the electronics industry by designing premium wireless audio for half the price, without compromise. They're doing things differently than other brands out there. From the way they design their products to the way they price them, Raycon prioritizes their customer experience from start to finish. Raycon offers their wireless earbuds in a range of fun colors and patterns, with a variety of different fit options and no dangling wires or stems. The company was founded by Ray J. Celebrities like Snoop Dogg, J.R. Smith, Mike Tyson, Rich the Kid, they're obsessed with Raycons. Raycon also has a 45-day return policy. Raycon earbuds give you 6 hours of playtime, seamless Bluetooth pairing, more bass, and a more compact design for a comfortable, noise-isolating fit. Now, one of the lesser known great uses of these things is using them when you're driving in cars. And the reason I say that, instead of just using your Bluetooth audio or whatever, is when you put these in, they cancel out drone in cars, which is really nice because you can actually hear your music instead of turning it all the way up and blowing out your speakers. So, gets rid of drone in cars, and you listen to music. It's a pretty good deal. Click the link in the description box or go to buyraycon.com/savagegarage to get 15% off your Raycon purchase. So guys, with all that being said, these things are really, really good. And if you don't already have a set of these, get yourself one now. Don't waste any more of your time. Check the link in the description down below. Get yourself a set today, and I promise you, you're not gonna regret it. We'll see you soon.
Is this it? Does it look familiar?
I'm gonna totally powder coat the wheels.
I was just about to say that's gonna be the first thing of topic,
black.
I'm sure.
We should leave I think leave the center caps chrome on the black wheel. What do you think? Hey, what's up?
Just give him the keys straight on. Here you go.
Take it,
Just, literally, that's what Scott was just like. He goes, Johnny, you know he is. Just give him the key.
Wait, let me see that key, Randy. Hold on. That's an old school Benz key. I love it.
Are going to make the most viral videos in this thing.
Wait, we have to take the first selfie. Come on, camera.
Oh my gosh.
Because of course.
Flat screen.
Randy, come on, come in the car that you're thinking of buying.
I want this.
I don't know.
Okay, this is no. That's Randy's seat. No, this is Randy's seat.
I thought you liked the
Yeah, because I want all the controls.
Well, then you want this one.
No, because that one doesn't recline.
Oh,
So
I don't know about you. Me and Blake, we chilling in the
Wait.
Oh!
No, it gets better. Hold on. Hold on.
Does it go all
the way?
No.
It goes all the way.
Oh.
Oh God. I need a nap.
A nap? He'll come back here. We can.
Look at all this room for activity.
Overhead cabins.
We can turn this into a bed, Rachel.
Oh,
we found out.
Oh, but this right here, this is key.
This shit right here.
This shit right here is key, though. All right.
Yes.
Where would you like to go? We take you there very fast. No worries.
Oh my God.
And then definitely, Anna, come on in.
Wait, come in.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
It's ridiculous. Come on in.
Let's sit here.
No, good. Or do you want me to sit
executive
here?
chair, huh?
Okay. Wait, do you have to take the headrest out from really or no? It bent automatically. We just need a blanket. Okay, yeah, this is super nice. Very nice.
Hello?
Not bad. Like, I could totally relax. Like, we're gonna take a
What are you
nap.
doing
You
there?
guys plug your...
Wait, look, watch.
This
This
is
is self-destruct.
self-destruct.
Ready? Watch the red light. Self-destruct.
And Savage Garage never took 3 Lambos anywhere again.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
So was this actually Scott's?
Yeah, so Scott buys 2 of these every couple of years
Yeah.
and uses them to bring his clients around, and they just abuse the shit out of them. So he pays like 150, 160 grand for these. And I'm buying this for like 8 grand. But this one's got the towing capacity. That's what I
That's
like
a big
about it.
deal.
And it's got the dually, and this is, believe it or not, it's only a V6 though.
What would even be the desire to have something like that?
Taking people from one place to another when you go out to dinner or something like that. You don't want to drive all the cars after driving them all day long. So I'm going to drive first. Yeah.
How do you recline?
Excuse me.
Are you revving it?
Yeah.
Oh my
Good
God.
afternoon. I will be your tour guide.
Okay, there goes the Sprinter van.
All right, here we go, kids. Hold on.
What was that?
Oh, it's got some power. Hey, she's got some get up and go.
You floored?
No, but that's pretty good for this size vehicle.
Where's the bathroom?
Fuck you! Jimbo's getting rollers with the tripod. Hell yeah! Well, let's do side-by-side launch controls.
Launch controls?
Does that have a launch control? Yeah, ready? You want to see it again?
Yeah, go for it.
I'm floored.
You're floored?
Oh yeah. That's floored.
He's punching it right now.
Lauren! OS! Yes!
That's amazing. Widen those brakes a bit.
It's huge!
How close that antenna
I know, that's what I was looking at. Like, that thing is huge!
I want to hear stripper music back there and stuff. Somebody figure out how to put some stripper music on.
It's 0 to 60 time is 0 to sometime.
It's 0 to 60 time is who gives a shit. It's got a refrigerator and 19 seats in it.
That is a massive vehicle. I'm telling you, can you imagine that with, like, do you remember Randy's old, like, SVJ?
Yeah.
Like, with the Roger Dubois wrap on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it needs. Put that wrap on there with, like,
You know
yellow
what I kinda
tint on
wanna
the
see,
taillights.
though? Because it's the pinnacle of America.
Yes.
Is that I want to see a big American flag with SG somewhere on the side of it.
Yep.
Somehow. Oh my God!
You gonna drive through?
No, he's not going to do it.
Oh no, he's got it.
Oh, Full freaking clearance. It's not.
Oh, will he make that?
No. He's
Wait, no, someone's checking. Blake's gonna check.
Hell no. Nope. Nope.
Too high.
Yep.
Yeah, we're not gonna film on McDonald's property.
You got it. No worries.
I'm gonna make you sit down, ready? There
Floored.
I think the woman came outside from McDonald's and yelled at us.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I think so. Like, we shouldn't be pulling this thing in. I'm like, I know.
Oh my goodness, it's perfect. Yep. Alright, here we go.
So the top gear flyby.
Oh yeah, you gotta do, yep, you gotta go from around the back.
Oh my gosh.
Runner doesn't have a seatbelt on.
It has a reverse beeper.
Go out and get that.
I can hear it from
I'm
here.
just
Here we
watching
go.
him reverse it right now, which is a skill in itself.
Oh yeah. I'll get the door for you. Let me tell you, watching this thing go down the roads, it's a spectacle.
It's great. It's super fun to
It's
drive.
huge.
Yeah, I know, but it's super easy to drive.
Yeah?
And this 360 camera,
Uh-huh.
you can see everything. I mean, it's crazy.
So it has a 360 camera?
Yeah, this like here, look. You can see everything, and so when you're turning, it looks behind you to the
Wow.
left. It goes with your direction. It's gonna be perfect by the time it gets done from detail fatigue. I'm already seeing the vision. I've already got the vision and how this will look. You know, it'll be, you know, Savage Garage Incorporated LLC, you know, Savage Transport, just totally like businessy looking, but totally dumb.
Are we gonna have on the back left not for hire?
Oh, totally. I'll put a license number, and it'll be like, you know, for you to see, you know, us move. You know, whatever. I don't know. This is like the ultimate luxury car. You can go and just sit in the back, and when we go to events and stuff, and you know, we're out for an event for hours, you have nowhere to sit. You have nowhere to go. Now you have a place to sit. Can you use your computer? I can work from here. Let's say I got a conference call and I need to be on a rally. Go in the back of the van.
It needs to roll coal as we're towing our Lamborghini.
5, 2.
We'll
We can skip 4, 3, and 2.
Yo, let's just burble tune it.
That's perfect.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're doing work on the phone. Oh yeah, that's executive right there.
So Randy, oh my god.
This thing's gonna be insane. Follow us on all of our rally extraordinaire crazy stuff. This is gonna be the ultimate rally beast. Stay tuned.
Parkour! Randy.
Oh, I didn't see you there.
I know,
I was busy driving around in my spinner van.
Yep.
Fuck you, Turner. You can turn